Drinking water upside down can stop hiccups faster than holding your breath. This bizarre yet effective trick relies on a simple shift in your diaphragm's movement and your body's focus. When you tip your head forward and sip water from the opposite rim of the glass, your body has to concentrate on maintaining balance and swallowing in an unusual position, which can distract your brain from the hiccup reflex. Unlike holding your breath, which may just postpone the hiccup cycle, this method actively engages your muscles and stimulates the vagus nerve, helping to reset the diaphragm. Next time you're plagued by those annoying spasms, grab a glass of water, lean over, and sip away the hiccups in a way that defies gravity and logic. It's a quirky life hack that's quick, easy, and surprisingly effective, perfect for those moments when you need instant relief and a fun party trick to share.